The model just looks so good in it. Like, what am I lacking? Camera, focus on me. Thank you. My lighting is a little bright, sorry. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Charlene and I'm back with another video. I miss you guys so much. I'm back with another haul. I went and I did a little damage. I got a little package here. I already got some cute pieces and I cannot wait to try it on. I wanted to update my wardrobe a little bit without breaking the bank, and Shein, I didn't break the bank. I did not break the bank with that, so that's not bad. But this is the package. Medium size. All together, I paid $129.64. I got like 20 items, which is not bad at all. I did use a coupon code, okay, because it was originally $149, but I used that coupon code. Altogether, it took like 5 days, literally 5 days, and I got everything. This is what the packaging looks like. This is my first time ordering from them. Go ahead and try this piece. It is a neck ruffle, tie neck ruffle trim top, and I got it in a 1XL and $7. This is what it looks like. It looks like it's see-through. Oh, this is cute. You guys, do you see this? Let me back up. Do you see how this looks? I'm in the mirror. This is what it looks like. It feels very comfortable. It's very nice. Oh my gosh. I definitely need to shave, so I'm not gonna, you know, put my arms up, but I can like put it this way. It's like good for like going out, you know, like you fancy but you're not too fancy, but they won't know that you got it for $7 because it doesn't look like it cost $7. Yeah, it looks very cute, right? Like very elegant. Like, ooh, who is she? It's me. The mock neck crop grid tee and skirt set. So it was $13. This is what it looks like in the packaging. I got it in the size 1X. This is what the top looks like. It's a crop top. This is the skirt. And it's very stretchy. The material is very stretchy. It's a crop top. Got it. Okay. This is very cute. I look really cute, right? I look very nice. Like I said before, once I get rid of my stomach, it's over for everybody, okay? So get to know me now before I lose my stomach, because I'm going to be very conceited. Just playing. It feels very comfortable. It's good that I got the top and a 1XL because, you know, 1XL. But it's really nice and comfortable. It is definitely a crop, as you can see right here. But if you're not comfortable with the crop, you could always pull up the skirt up high. But if you do want that little piece to show, you can. But if not, you can always bring it up. So I really like this outfit. Oh my god, it's very comfortable. The material feels very like nice. Like it's not cheap material. It's very thick material. The crop top is not like too revealing, but if you want it to be revealing, you can definitely make it revealing. It's like a good $13, not wasted, right? Let me know what you think, because I like it. It's very cute. Oh yes. The next thing I got, they tell you what it is. It just says like dress or like blouse or like two-piece. But this is a dress, and I also got this on a 1XL. All the clothes that I got them in 1XL just to be safe. This is what the dress looks like. You know I love my little pearls. And at the bottom, it has lace. Ooh. Cute, right? When I saw it on the model, it looks really nice on her. I'll try to put a picture so you guys can see how it looked on her, but I didn't know the material was gonna be like this. I thought it was gonna be like more like this type of material, more thicker. This one feels like a t-shirt type. Okay, so I'm not really feeling this outfit. Like the picture, the model looks better in it than I do. Let's just say that. But I'm gonna go ahead and move back so you can see the full body. I don't like this dress. I know it's not really cute on me, but I don't like it. The bottom is cute, but the top is not. It doesn't, it clashes. It doesn't go together like the picture did. I don't know. This one I'm kind of disappointed with, but let's move on to the other clothes. This is a solid mermaid hem skirt, and it was $12, but with the coupon I only paid $6.80, so I'm not mad at it. What the black skirt looks like, it's very stretchy. This is what the detail at the bottom looks like. Very cute, mermaidy, like it says, so the name. High neck solid blouse, originally $8, but with my coupon I paid $5.95. So it's also very see-through. This is what this one looks like. Go ahead and try it on and see how the whole outfit looks. The blouse is a tad bit tight. It does not fit. You can see right here like how tight it is. This is the skirt. The skirt is very comfortable and it's stretchy. It is a contrast side seam leopard skirt. It was originally $9. Okay, and I also got it in a 1XL. Very stretchy. You know what, I actually like the skirt. Very stretchy. It does ride up a little bit when you're walking, but you can always, like, you know, pull it down. This one is called the gold button detail textured pencil skirt. It was $9, but with the discount that I used, I paid $7.65. Oh, what really sold me was the gold detailing on the side of the skirt. I was like, yes, I need this in my life. The skirt is very, very cute. It's nice on me. It's very stretchy as well, so it doesn't feel like it's tight and I can't breathe in the skirt. I cannot wait to wear this skirt, honey. Yes, yes. Very pretty skirt. So, this shirt in a size 2XL. And it says, Jesus. And gold chain, reppin', my God. Rockin'. Pumping J's, reppin', my God. Reppin', my God. Who said I couldn't be fly? Reppin', my God. Yes, very pretty. And I can wear with just about anything. I can wear it with my skirt. I can dress it up. I can dress it down. Whatever I want to do. You know, I could just wear Jesus all day in my t-shirt. A slim fit pencil skirt. And it was originally $7. My discount I paid $5.95. This is what it looks like. It is a large. It's like a nude pink mauve type of color. It's a pink. It's like a different shade of pink. I really like this skirt and I really like the color, so I just hope it fits. And if it doesn't fit, I'm gonna be very upset. They didn't have the skirt in an extra large, so that's the only reason why I didn't get an extra large. But if they did, I would have gotten it. I mean, the large fits, but it's just like very body hugging. Like it shows all of your shapes, all your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfections. Okay, like vented back rib knit skirt. What was I saying? The skirt is very comfortable. It fits very nice. It's also like a little bit like body hugging, but like, you know, not as much as the other one. This one I do have, I can move. It does have a lot of stretch, like it's very stretchy. I do wish that it came in a larger size, so that way you guys can know what I'm talking about. Like it would have fit and feel more better to me. This one looks like it's familiar, but the two piece that I tried out earlier, well, they actually have it in a one piece as well. I just love it so much that I got the one piece, but I got it in a color green. This is the mock neck grid print form fitting dress. It was originally $12. With my coupon, I paid $10.20. Let me flip this hair because I look like a snack right now. Like this dress looks bodacious on my body. It looks really, really good. And it's very long. You shall see for yourself. Very, very nice. I'm giving it 2 thumbs up. It's very hard to get into for some reason, but when you put it on, baby, okay, you are a snack. You are a snackety snack poo poo, okay? So, next item. This bodysuit was originally $11. I paid $11 for this. But with my code, I paid $5.10, which sounds more reasonable, which sounds more like me, okay? So yes, let's go ahead and try it on. It's green again. Like I said, oh, this is a good spring color, right? Yeah. This is the green bodysuit that I have. It's a long sleeve, and it has the little details on the side, on the shoulders, which is very cute. So I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. I also got this skirt. I'm just gonna try it on together, even though they probably don't match. This is a button front bodycon skirt, extra large. It was originally $13. With my coupon, I paid $4.25. So this is a blue skirt. This is what it looks like. It's a long one as well. And it has a split in the back, honey. It got that split, okay? See that split? So let's go ahead and try it on. It doesn't fit. This is a 1X. I probably should have gotten like a 2X or a 3X. This is my first time getting like a bodycon, you know. It doesn't fit. It's very pretty. I'm gonna see if I can go ahead and exchange this for a size up. I didn't even get a chance to button it because it doesn't fit. I'm hot and it doesn't fit, so I'm upset, okay? So this is the details in the front. It's very tight. It's very long too. Oh, this is what it looks like. The bodycon skirt. It's very body hugging tight. The next item I have is this button back scallop edge top. This was originally $13 with my little coupon discount. Paid $6.80. Okay. Ooh. Yellow is my best friend, honey. Color. Oh my god, it's very beautiful on me. It's beautiful. So the back is very open. The pattern is also at the bottom of the shirt. Ooh, yes. So the detailing on the sleeve is very pretty. This is very cute. This is a gathered neck floral lace shoulder top, originally $8, and I paid $6.80 with the coupon. This is what it looks like on me. Very laid back type. And if you want to dress it up, you can dress it up as well. Very cute. Very loose. It isn't a 2X. This concludes the clothing part of the haul. I did go ahead and buy some accessories. I got like 4 purses, 4 bags. So let's go ahead. Let me go ahead and show you guys these bags, okay? It's a push lock chain bag. It was originally $9, but with my coupon code, I paid $5.10. It does have a gold chain, like it said. It's very cute, right? Oh my god, this is very cute. The material looks very, very nice. Let me go ahead and open it up. Really tiny on the inside. Just, you know, to fit like your phone in like a little tiny wallet in there if you're going out type of stuff. And your keys, of course. Pay like $2.55. It is a cross body bag. This is what it looks like. It's very pretty, but I never have, like the color is really nice. And it's a cross body. I don't wear it across my body. Again, there's no pockets on the inside. And it's very tiny, you know, enough for your phone, a little wallet, and your keys. Next bag I got. This is another one. Is a Tassel Decor bucket bag. Originally $14. With my coupon, I paid $6.80. You hold it like this. You know, if you're going out and about, you want to hold it like this, you want to. You can also put this around to carry it as like a little tiny purse if you want to. But if you want to have like either crossbody or have it longer, you can go ahead and go with the longer strap, which is very cool. So it gives you like different options. It's the Buckle Detail Flat PU shoulder bag. It was originally $17, but I paid $5.95. So this is what the bag looks like. It's very cute and tiny. There's like one little pocket on the inside right here. The inside feels very nice, and it does have the longer strap if you want to wear it longer or crossbody, whichever one flows with your boat or my boat. And it also has a little pocket in here, so maybe like 2 pockets. So one pocket here and one pocket here. This one you can fit a little bit more if you want to, but it's very, very pretty. And I'm just so, when I saw this, I was like, yeah, I need to have it. Isn't it cute? That's it. That's it. This was a very huge, my hair itches. This was a very huge haul from Shein. I'm very, very much satisfied with everything that I got. The material of these items are very, very good. Like, I am surprised. Like, I thought I was gonna get like some bad stuff, but I actually got pretty good stuff, and I'm so shocked. Like, just gotta make sure you shop smart and you look at it, you look at the review. You could order it up. You could always order a size up just to be safe. You know, better safe than sorry. So let me know in the comments below what outfit you like the best. I definitely like my dress and my 2-piece, the same one, the hidden pieces. Okay, like I cannot wait. But yes, you guys, you don't have to break the bank to look good, and Shein just proved that to me. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and if you have made it to the end of the video, you are a MVP. Oh, subscribe, and if you haven't, turn on your post notifications so you can be notified when I post videos. And last but not least, put God first and you will never be last. Thank you guys so much for tuning in, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. God bless.